A wellness brand offering health coaching for employees needed help customizing their scheduling capability. The client offered telephonic health coaching sessions, but planned to add on-site sessions. The standard booking method in Lightning Scheduler did not meet their use case. Due to their scheduling needs, the process for creating session availability was cumbersome and did not allow for location-based scheduling. To customize Lightning Scheduler to meet the client's needs, Slow Motion created a custom object called Coaching Location that specifies where the session is to take place. We then created another custom object called Work Schedule that allows their service team to schedule availability in a specific location. Then, we updated the client's custom endpoint so that users can go to the client's app, select a location, and be presented with available appointment slots to book. To provide the service team with an easy way to manage scheduling, we implemented Full Calendar within Salesforce. The client needed a way to easily create blocks of session availability, or work schedules, so we created a flow that allows the client to select the sponsor, the coaching location, start time and end time, and whether the work schedule is recurring. By indicating that a work schedule is recurring, the service team can easily create multiple blocks of availability right from the calendar. We also created an object called Mass Work Schedule Availability, along with a custom editing model, allowing the service team to edit related work schedules and choose whether to edit single work schedules or all subsequent work schedules. The service team can also create and edit events and appointments right from the calendar. We even added validation rules to ensure that scheduled appointments fall within available work schedules. Now their service team can easily schedule availability for specific locations, and members can book appointments for specific locations through the client's app. At Slow Motion, we've helped hundreds of growing businesses improve their operations and deliver better results by implementing and enhancing Salesforce. For more information about us, please visit fastslowmotion.com and be sure to read our client reviews on AppExchange.